I might not have a Lamborghini or a mansion, but my biggest flex is owning 2 fridges. This is the most flawless loop ever. This is the most flawless loop ever. This is the most flawless loop ever.
This is the most flawless loop ever.
We're funny! Yay!
It's time for story time with the boys. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Now, once upon a time, we went to a car rental store and we rented a car.
Yes, correct.
And then we went to a car dealership and bought an identical car.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
You were there. And then we destroyed the identical car and returned it to see if they'd freak out.
He drove off the road by accident.
They did. And then after they were done freaking out, we gave them the car we actually rented back and we never harmed. It was really funny. Here's the clip.
Good to see you guys.
If we ever need a car, we'll be back.
Man.
What happens if you break the world record for largest elephant toothpaste in a house? Watch.
Boys,
Yeah.
we need to find Carl's girlfriend.
Yeah, we do.
Play the montage.
Car's so cute.
Wow, that
How
was
does he know that
insane.
girl?
Guys, comment, not guys, girls, comment if you're interested. Or guys.